Just a quick one today. I put in the 3.3 line, it's actually 3.5. Now if I plug into that with my boost converter, it ends up going to 20 and I have no idea why. It shouldn't. It should just stay at 7.5. It did for a minute, and then when I plugged it in, it went up, so I unplugged it quick as. And so I'll go back to the 5 volt line. The 5 volt line seems to be a lot more stable than the actual 3.5 or 3.3 line it should be, but it's 3.5. Yeah, got no idea what's going on there. Made up a nice little plug connection for it, and I'm going to pop that into a box. And yeah, I was going to put it inside the box, but there's not enough room. And the other thing is, if that died and I wanted another one, I'd have to pull it apart and take it out and all the rest of it, when I could just attach it to the side of the box and it's all done. And so you've got a beautiful 3.3 line. Hold on. So at the moment I just need to program it. I've got the display up, I've got my blue on my Mega, I've got that's attached. I don't see any data yet, but that's probably just because of programming. I have my USB connection, I've got my encoder, I have most of my Dallas sensors. I'm missing a couple of Dallas sensors, so I'll have to order some more. And on the back I have my SD card reader and everything else is there. And I've got all my resistors set up there. I've just got to look at how to mount them onto a heatsink. I've got heaps of heat sinks hanging around, so I should be able to do something with that. And I'm just waiting for the connectors for these little bits here, and we're pretty much done. That will be my first board, and then I'll be working on my second board. And hopefully I can get some more batteries soon. Anyway, that's it from me. Hope you're all having a great day. Please subscribe, and if you can, please like. I don't get many likes on this stuff. It'd be really nice if a couple of you just gave me a couple of likes. I'm not after anything big. I'm asking for like a couple. Even a dislike, that'd be even good. I don't care. Yeah, so what do you think? Do you reckon you'll build one of these DIY charger dischargers from Brett? This is version 2. I'm sure there'll be a version 3 just to fix that little bit there. Not much to do, about 2 mil to the left, or maybe 1.5 mil, and that's pretty much it. Dallas sensors. Oh, by the way, I've got this new glue gun. It seems to be working okay now. I worked out how to use it, so yeah, you can just disconnect it and use it, but I'm not gluing anything yet. The only thing I've glued is that, and I glued the actual 3.3 on the front because I'd broken it, so I couldn't be bothered going to buy another one today, and waste of fuel anyway, so I just got finished this bit. Anyway, that's it from me. See you later. Bye. Oh, by the way, if Brett's having a quick look, I can't work out how to log in again. If you can send me some instructions, it'd be great. Thank you. Bye.